Hi parents, I'm going to show a simple activity with kinetic sand. And kinetic sand is very much available at the shops. If you can buy it, just try it at home. It's a very good play for the children. It is especially for the sensory development, because when they are going to play with this sand, their senses are going to develop, and especially the touch. It is just as regular sand but slightly different from a regular sand. All that we know is regular sand, kids love to play in regular sand, and when it is wet, definitely there is more fun attached with it. In the same way, when we are going to use kinetic sand, it is going to double their fun, and at the same time the house is going to be clean. It is not going to get messy at all with this kinetic sand, because even if it falls down, you can just collect it and put it back together. The difference between the regular sand and kinetic sand is, in kinetic sand, it is safe. If for 100%, 98% it is definitely regular sand, and 2% if silicone oil is used. So that is why it gives a kind of a gritty feel, a kind of a different texture, and it is always moist. So it is nice to mold, and even when you are going to unmold it, it is going to give that exact shape of the mold, and it's so much of fun. So let us see how I am going to play with the sand. See, I have blue color kinetic sand over here. Different colors are available in the market and small molds. So all that I am going to do is, see, now I am taking this. I have a spoon here. I am just going to scoop up the sand and fill it. Very simple, as how I am going to do it with clay or with regular sand. Same way I am going to do it here. And I have a butter knife, so I am just going to flatten it like this, or anything which is available at home, we can use that. This activity is so much fun that it gives double enjoyment than playing with clay. See, after this I am just going to unmold it. You can get the shape very easily. Now let us try with some other mold. I have a different mold over here, and I am going to fill it. So much fun, it is so much fun with this. The sensory skills developed, that is the tactile senses. Tactile is nothing but touch. It's so much of touch and feel, which is very essential for the children. Even as adults, we would love to play with this kinetic sand. And especially for kids who have hyperactive issues, or say anxiety issues, where their energy is being utilized more in day-to-day activities, you can give this activity so that they can sit in one place and enjoy, and they not know that their energy is being used this way. See, if it is any other material, we need to tap it so much so that the sand comes out. Now after this, I am using this butter knife, and I am just going to cut it. See, I can cut it into two parts. I can cut it this way, right? This is very much fun-loving activity. So again, if you look at the texture, see, when I am going to put it this way, can you see that it is still moist, that it is slightly wet in feel? And even if I am going to hold it in hand, I can mold it as I like, and it's not going to be sticky in my hands. So when I dust it, it is going to come out. And if you feel that this is getting dry, it's very simple. Just add few drops of water, and then it will come back to the same consistency. Or if you think you have added more water and what's going to happen, I'm going to waste it, doesn't matter. Just leave it for some time to dry. It will come back to this same consistency. So this sand helps for the sensory development. It's a very good sensory play. Try and get this sand, which is very much available in the shops nowadays. You can also make this kinetic sand at home with the help of regular sand, cornstarch, a little bit of colors, and you can go ahead and make this kinetic stand. Instead of making at home, just buy one packet, and this one which I got, I am using it since 3 years and it is still of the same texture, same feel which I got it day one. So parents, I know we keep investing a lot in clothes and food and so much for the children. Why not invest little bit on these kind of materials so that our kids are going to have loads of fun, and they are also going to learn something, and it is also going to curb down their energy levels, and they're going to sit in one place and they're going to focus on something. So have fun with this activity. Why not try it? Go buy it and try it today. Thank you, parents.